Everything is muddy and soupy and some stuff up. Boiling.
Yeah, dude, looking all around this place, that's the worst. Right in front of where we have to get out.
Yeah. Well, it's because we're traipsing through there over and over.
Yeah. Sure.
Let's see how much rain we got. That's how much rain we got. Where we've been getting in and out of the tent. Soupy, muddy, gross. A struggle. Did it though. Weather's supposed to get nicer in a little while. Maybe one more rain cell passing through and then it's not supposed to rain anymore. Perfect for the day we leave. Skunked again. Didn't catch any fish. I caught a worm, which I then used as bait to try to catch fish. And then I caught a fish scale, but no whole fish. It's windy, it's rainy. The waves on the lake are kind of big. Tough conditions.
Do you want any of this?
Yeah. Some pepper.
I was gonna say, here, you take the pepper first. I'm just gonna put a little salt on.
Making your little breakfast tacos.
Yeah. It's just sliding. This is gonna be the first mush to go through.
Yeah.
Here's where I fucking slipped.
Oh, it gets way worse up here. Up that muddy hill.
Someone was like, oh, I have a treadmill too. All it does is just hang my wet clothes on it.
Nice to walk through this muck with this trailer.
On this side?
Up here, this side was the best.
Oh man, my collar. All trucks.
Back at the truck. Yield.
Oh, you.
Man, what a day.
Cutting the fence post. I'm gonna make you the tiny spoon.
Yeah, get this little trail. Check this out. This is what they sold us for firewood. $8 a bundle. Fencing. We went to the nearest town. No one sells bundles of firewood. We had to buy a box of Duraflame logs in order to have a fire for our last night at camp. Duraflame logs.
Oh, buns?
Buns, mustard, cheese slices,
Cheese slices,
burgers.
Burgers.
What is that? Yeah, we're totally
In the middle of the woods.
We're in the middle of the woods, bro.
Blair Witch Project.
Blair Witch, check it out.
I'm so scared.
Cheeseburgers. First you need some cheeseburgers.
Next, we need buns.
Buns.
Pepper.
The cheapest pepper you can find.
Ooh, they're nice. Extra buns, please. Mark.
Perfect. Oh.
Barely see.
Checking each one.
Toasty.
Yeah, get them.
That's how you know it's gonna taste good. He's a champ.
Next we add cheese.
How do you stop?
Nice cooler soaked wet cheese.
3 days.
3-day cooler soaked wet cheese. There's cheese that were wet.
It's okay.
So good. I'll eat this shit all day. We want to make sure we're in a good place mentally. Okay, we're serving plates. Get this one off first. Where are we going? Here. Get this one off next. Where are we going? Here?
Yep.
Fast forward 1 hour. Fire on. Fire on. That's raging. Of course, today we gotta pack up and leave. It's all beautiful out here. Oh man, that's good. Pack it up and get out of here.
Yeah, I started way back there, made myself here.
Cool. Let the wind do the work for us. There we go.
We need to fold it more, or?
Yeah, there's gonna be another fold.
Okay, I don't have it, you got it.
Yep.
Do you need more? Or do you said it rolls?
Yeah.
Space in case we get it out.
Mine out.
Alright. You got yours?
Almost.
You need some room?
Alright. The struggle is real. Look at Riley with his man pack. Pretty compact.
I got it.
How do I turn it?
The dumbest moment of my life.
Alright.
That is pretty loaded up top there.
Yep.
Look at that. Extended red anus.
Baboon Pack. Happy birthday, Jimbo.
Happy birthday, Jimbo. Let's get out of here.
One last haul. One and done, I always say.
This is the shitty part.
Keep on trucking.
Signing off. We just hiked all of our stuff out of there. Time to go home.